Hello students, we have studied about lactobacilli last time. Today, second useful microorganism is rhizobium. In this slide, here we see different types of beans like gram, peas, cowpea, rajma, tur, soybean, etc. We use it as our food. Plants of pulses carry legumes. Legumes are useful for us as a protein source. Now coming to rhizobium. Rhizobium is the organism which is found in the root nodules of leguminous plants. Rhizobium is called symbiotic bacteria as it helps in the supplying nitrates, nitrites and amino acid to that plant, and the plant in turn gives energy in form of carbohydrates to the organism, and such mutually beneficial relationship is called symbiosis. Rhizobium. These bacteria can infect the roots of leguminous plants, leading to the formation of lumps or nodules where the nitrogen fixation takes place. About 90% of legume species can become nodulated. Rhizobium is a naturally occurring soil bacteria that can form a symbiotic relationship with legume crops. Basically, the bacteria attaches to the roots of legume, forming nodules, and draws energy from the plant. In return, the bacteria is able to convert nitrogen in the air, N2, and convert it to a form NH4 that is available to plants. This free nitrogen saves farmers quite a bit of money and is environmentally friendly. Many times the rhizobium produces more nitrogen than its symbiotic partner can use. Because the form of nitrogen it converts from the air is relatively stable, the excess of nitrogen is available to the following crop. It's a good deal for the rhizobium, the legume, the farmer and the environment. Nowadays, seeds are coated with rhizobial solution or powder before sowing. After sowing, rhizobia enter the plantlets. This is called rhizobial inoculation. This experiment has helped in the supply of nitrogen to cereal and other crops besides leguminous crops. Now, the third useful microorganism, that is yeast. Yeast is a substance which is easily available in everybody's kitchen and also in bakeries. Yeast is eukaryotic unicellular heterotrophic fungus. That means eukaryotic, it has a complex cell structure. Unicellular, that is yeast is a single-celled organism. Yeast depends on other organisms for food. Hence, it is called as heterotrophic, and yeast falls in the group of fungus. Yeast normally multiplies very quickly by using up carbohydrates in the solution like sugar and convert it into alcohol and carbon dioxide. So, it helps in fermentation. This is what is being used in making bread. The bread becomes fluffy and spongy because of carbon dioxide produced by yeast in fermentation. Other species of yeast are used in different industries. Often alcohol is produced along with sugar in sugar factories. Molasses is produced from sugarcane juice. It is rich in carbohydrates. Molasses is fermented with the help of yeast called Saccharomyces. In this process, ethanol alcohol is produced as a primary product and ester and other alcohols as a secondary products. Glucose and fructose, the sugars present in the grape juice, are also fermented with the help of yeast to produce the alcohol which is used for making wines. A yeast, Aerovia lipolytica, is used to absorb the toxins released during the production of palm oil and the heavy metals and minerals released in some other industrial processes. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used for absorption of pollutant arsenic. Oil spills in oceans are cleaned with the help of alkanivorax bacteria. And here we complete two useful microorganisms, that is rhizobium and yeast.